Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the error 401 problem. Let's get started. For that, open up your browser and then simply tap on the three dot icon. Scroll below, tap on settings. Inside settings, on your left hand side, simply tap on privacy and security. Scroll below again, tap on third-party cookies. Scroll below again and then tap on see all site data and permissions. Now, in the search bar, you can go ahead and simply type in the name of the website where you are getting the error 401 issue and then tap on the stress icon. Just like that, tap on delete. And after you delete that, head back to main settings, tap on extension right over here, and just like that, turn off all the extension one by one. Sometimes one of them might be causing the problem. And after that, you can go ahead and simply check if the problem is fixed or not. If the issue is still continues, you can also try changing your DNS settings or using a different browser. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.